Greetings, beloved Unity friends. We are here on this beautiful Thursday getting ready for our new Unity series, Roots and Wings. And when we understand the basic principles of unity and how they operate as spiritual principles for awakening our divine essence, we really begin to live rooted in the infinite, the divine consciousness, and to bring it into our human form, to give ourselves the roots of our connectedness to all that is, and the wings to live a different kind of life, a life that is filled with the spirit of truth. And Unity has, as a movement, offered these principles and teachings that we're going to discover and explore in greater depth throughout the month of March, throughout their history. This is the truth of the essence that is taught in the Unity teaching. So to understand that and begin to live that spiritual emphasis, that spiritual aha, that spiritual awareness at every level of our being until we become the embodiment of our Christ consciousness. I mean, that's what we're here to learn and understand. Unity follows the teachings of our way shower, Jesus the Christ. We see Jesus as the great example of how we're all meant to claim and know and live in that unified field of oneness. This week, we're going to be looking at one is one, our first unity principle. You know, that we every Sunday morning affirm there is one presence and one power in the universe, God the good omnipotence. So what is it to understand that one is one and live from that? Because unity was never taught as a religion. It didn't start as religion. It started as a way of life, a teaching that enhanced our way of life, that awakened us to our true spiritual nature. Come join us this Sunday at Unity Bay Area, Houston, in League City, Texas. Can't wait to share these Unity roots and wings with you.